Yo, bro, why do 95% of calisthenics goals fail? Because you just watch workout videos but never make a plan. This 3-part series is your complete roadmap. Part 1, Mindset Foundation. Part 2, Workout Plan. Part 3, Progression Hacks. Stay consistent for 6 months and transformation guaranteed. Step 1, SMART Goals. First golden rule. Write SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Wrong examples. I'll get strong. Abs will come. I'll do pull-ups. Right examples. 90 days, 12 clean push-ups. 60 days, 30-second straight plank. 120 days, 8 pull-up negatives. Write in notebook. Make phone wallpaper. Check every morning for 5 seconds. Your brain gets reprogrammed. This psychological trick builds consistency. Step 2, baseline test. Tomorrow morning, do these 4 tests. Write exact results in notebook. 1, max clean push-ups. Knees can touch. Don't break form. 2, pull-up bar hang time. Dead hang max seconds. Stop when grip fails. 3, perfect plank hold. Hips not up or down. Start timer. 4, bodyweight squats. Thighs parallel to ground. Max clean reps. This is your day 0 data. Test again at 30/60/90 days. Seeing progress will 10 times your motivation. Step 3, weekly micro wins. Hit 3 small targets every week. Week 1. Push-ups plus 2 reps, plank plus 10 seconds, squats plus 5 reps. Week 2, first negative pull-up try. Introduce pike push-up. Week 3, plank 45 seconds. Inverted rows under table. Small wins equals dopamine rush equals daily workout passion. Comment your #1 goal right now. Part 2 tomorrow. 3-day, no equipment plan. Smash like, turn on. Crush goals with Captain Core. Part 1 checkmark.